Alright, so in this video we're going to show you what the mechanism is for discovering the cards you already have. Right, so what I mean by that is if you're trying to actually come in here and add IO, and you were to come in here and you would say new IO, if you don't know the IO, or if you have to pull the card from the actual chassis or something of that nature, when it comes down to it, you can actually discover this, but you can only discover when you're online. As you see, it's grayed out down here. So if I don't have this downloaded right now, and it's not currently on, or it's not currently inside of the PLC processor, then I'm not able to do that. I'm not able to discover, right? So I can come in here and add, and I can click module discovery, but you see it does say module discovery not supported unless you're online. So this is what we'll do. We'll come online and we'll come over here, and I'm going to show you this process real quick. So we'll go ahead and what we'll do is we'll download and get online with this code. So we'll actually go to our backplane, and let's get that drop down right here, and then we're going to come over here and click download. Go ahead and download this simple program. I have nothing installed yet. This is brand new. Basically, I'm adding the IO right now. I figured it would be a good time to actually show you that process. So and this IO is in conjunction with the IO that is down here. As you see, the buttons and stuff like that do not work right now. Alright, so when it comes onto it, now we can come down here and we have discover modules. Okay, so we're online with the processor now, and it will populate all the modules that I currently have. So with that said, I can go ahead and add the module in for my Ethernet card. And the good side behind this is it actually gives you the revision, the firmware revision, so you're not guessing anymore, right? Now you can change that if you want to, but we're going to call this Ethernet, right? So we'll just add in Ethernet, and we'll go ahead and accept that. That added the card. We're going to do our digital IO. So this is going to be our digital, and then this is going to be digital in. So go ahead and add that, and I'll show you how simple this is, right? I mean, just adding it in. This is going to be our digital out. So we'll digital out, and we'll add that. And our last one is going to be our analog card. So we're going to add in our analog card, and this is going to be an analog, and we'll call this IO because it is an input output card that I currently have installed on that. Now again, when it comes down to it, you can see I don't have anything else I can add, but I do have everything added down here. And if I come in my tags right here, you can see I have the tags that are corresponding with that. So meaning what that does is when you add the card in there, what it does is it goes ahead and throws in automatically the IO or the points of data that have been added. In this case, it's a local rack. So meaning it is actually local to the processor. It's not remotely connected. It's local. It's within the chassis. So in this case, that is. So I'll show you real quick. If I push a button, you'll see that the input is actually working. So you see input 0 right here, changing states. Input 1, input 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I can actually use this in programming. So again, when it comes onto it, I just wanted to show you how the discovery mechanism worked inside of Studio 5000 or RSLogix 5000 for that matter, just so you understand. A lot of times you will go ahead and add your IO beforehand, but when it comes down to it, you can do this method. Sometimes it does benefit you to do this method, and it does benefit you to know how to do this method. So hopefully you learned a lot out of that video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.